Configuring a data grid in App Builder with every UX feature your customers need takes just a few clicks. Simply go to the property editor of your grid and click the Add Features button. From here, just select the interactive features you'd like to add to your grid. To change the property of a feature, click the link on the property to see the available options to further refine your grid experience. You can change column properties by clicking on a grid column on the canvas or using the DOM Explorer on the left. The property editor on the right will reflect the available settings for a selected DOM element. I'll select all of my columns and I'll disable summarizing. Running the application gives you all the interactive features you expect in a feature-rich grid experience. The most popular is the Excel-style filter dialog, which has everything from column pinning, moving, sorting, and filtering, all in a convenient column dropdown. The Excel-style filter is completely customizable. You can show, hide, or retemplate the dropdown to meet your application needs. You can interact with the grid directly to rearrange columns, or use the Outlook Group By feature to change how the data in your grid is grouped. In the Grid toolbar, you can pin columns, show or hide columns, and even export the grid to Microsoft Excel. Our Excel export is unique in that it exports the grid's data, as well as the grid configuration, including pinned columns and column groupings. The advanced filter dialog delivers a rich query experience, allowing the creation of groups with filtering conditions that span all columns in the grid. And the best part, the production-ready code generation in App Builder. You don't have to worry about learning the complexities of the grid or writing any platform-specific code for your Angular, Blazor, or Web Components app. Delivering a full-featured, interactive grid experiences with App Builder is just a few clicks away. Go to appbuilder.dev to start your free trial today.